Today we are going to solve the fifth problem in exercise 3.6. 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Take this as first equation. 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Take this as second equation. Now we know that a minus b by x can be written as a by x minus b by x. A plus b by x can be written as a by x plus 1 by b by x. So same way the first equation can be written as 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Now x and x gets cancelled. So we get 7 by y and y gets cancelled in the second term. 2 by x is equal to 5. Let 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x equal to b. We can assume this as a and b. Now the equation becomes 7a minus 2b equal to 5. And from 2, same way we are writing 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Same way x and x gets cancelled. Next term y and y gets cancelled. So 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Now we get 8a plus 7b equal to 15. Take this as fourth equation. Here elimination method will be a little difficult. So I am taking cross multiplication method. Now from 3 and 4, here first we have to make the equation in this form. 7a minus 2b minus 5 is equal to 0. 8a plus 7b minus 15 is equal to 0. Now instead of x and y we have a and b. So we have written a, b and 1. The first we have to take 2b, this 2 and 7. Then here minus 5 and minus 15. Then we have to take 7 and 8 minus 2 and 7. So I have written here a minus 2 7 minus 5 minus 15 7 8 minus 2 7. I have to multiply in this order. A by 30 minus of minus 35. B by minus 40 minus of minus 105. 1 by 49 minus of minus 16. Now we get a by 30 plus 35 equal to b by minus 40 by plus 105 is equal to 1 by 49 plus 16. Now a by 65 is equal to b by 65 is equal to 1 by 65. Now you have to take the first and the last term, that is constant term and the a value. So a by 65 is equal to 1 by 65, b by 65 is equal to 1 by 65. Now I have done in two methods. Either we can cancel like this, 65 and 65 on both the sides, we get b is equal to 1, or we can write like this also, a is equal to 65 by 65 is equal to a is equal to 1. Now we have got the value of a and b. But we have assumed this a as 1 by y, 1 by y as a and 1 by x as b. So we have to substitute in those two. So 1 by y is equal to a, that is 1. 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. Take the reciprocal. So we get y is equal to 1. Next 1 by x is equal to b by 1. That is x by 1 is equal to 1 by b. X by 1 is equal to 1 by 1 reciprocal. So we get x is equal to 1. So now we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. The next equation is sixth one. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. Now same way here we got xy on the other side of the equal to sign. So divide through this, bring the xy to the other side. So 6x plus 3y by xy is equal to 6. Same way here 2x plus 4y by xy is equal to 5. Now as we did before, separate it now. 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6. X and x gets cancelled. 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. Same way here 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equal to 5. Here same way cancel x and x. So get 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Here, let us assume 1 by y to be a and 1 by x to be b. So the equation becomes 6a plus 3b is equal to 6, 2a plus 4b equal to 5. Now we have got two equations. In this, we can either use cross multiplication method, substitution method or elimination method. Here I am using elimination method. So to get elimination method, you know one term should be the same. So I am multiplying equation 4 by 3. So that I get both the terms 6, and here also I will get 6. So the first term can be eliminated. So I am multiplying this equation by 3. So I get 3 into 2a plus 4b equal to 5. So I get 6a plus 12b is equal to 15. I am taking this as fifth equation. Now fourth equation I brought to this fifth equation. So I am taking third equation and fifth equation together, and I am subtracting because here the signs are same. 6a, 6a signs are same. Only when you subtract, this gets eliminated. So when I do it, I get 12 minus 3b, that is 12b minus 3b is 9b, that is equal to 9. b is equal to 9 by 9, b is equal to 1. Now substitute this b is equal to 1 in any one of the equation. I took 6a plus 3b equal to 6. When I substitute in this, I am getting a is equal to 3 by 6, a is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have assumed 1 by x to be b and 1 by y to be a. So I am substituting here 1 by x is equal to 1, that is 1 by 1. Reciprocal of this is x is equal to 1. Next 1 by y is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2 is a value. So the reciprocal is y is equal to 2 by 1, y is equal to 2. So you get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.